Top 5 Best Auto-Totaling Time Clock. Number 1. uPunch Starter Time Clock Bundle with 100 cards, 1 time card rack, 1 ribbon and 2 keys, HN 1500. Bundle includes uPunch HN 3000 Auto-Align Time Clock, 100 time cards, 2 keys, 1 time card rack, and 1 ink ribbon. Easily track your employees' start times, break times, lunch times, and finish times with a uPunch Auto-Align Time Clock. Number 2. Calculating uPunch Starter Time Clock Bundle with 100 cards, 1 ribbon and 2 keys, HN 2500. Bundle includes uPunch HN 4000 Calculating Time Clock, 100 time cards, 2 keys, and 1 ink ribbon. Easily track your employees' start times, break times, lunch times, and finish times with a uPunch Auto-Align Time Clock. Number 3. Calculating AT 4500 Sets Up in minutes, totals regular and overtime hours worked. Calculates hours, regular and overtime, daily and or weekly, work hours are totaled right on employee's time card, stand alone, no PC connection required, simply plug it in to use. Desktop or wall mount options. Quick and easy, menu guided setup takes just a few minutes. Number 4. Pyramid 2500 Small Business Time Clock Bundle with 100 time cards, 1 ribbon, 1 time card rack, 2 security keys, no employee limit. Bundle includes 2500 time clock, 100 time cards, 1 ink ribbon, 1 10-slot time card rack and 2 security keys. Tracks employee start times, break times, lunch times and finish times up to 31 days. Number 5. Lathem Heavy Duty Maintenance Free Thermal Print Time Clock, 2100 HD. The large, high-contrast LCD display shows time, date and is easy to read, even at a distance. Patented direct thermal whisper print technology eliminates ribbons for maintenance-free operation. Configure settings fast and easy with the new, intuitive S-Set rotary knob. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe.